Everyone. So today we're touring this 190 million naira property located here in Sangotedo area of Ajah, Lagos, Nigeria. So over here we have four-bedroom, fully detached home, and your car park space can take up to three cars depending on the size of your car. So this home is actually functional, simple design, just perfect for family living. There is no too much aesthetics and all of that. So if you want a functional home, a home located in a call to access estate just along the Lekki Expressway, you want to consider this particular home. So I'm going to be taking you on a photo tour of this home. If you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this amazing home. With that said, welcome home. So this is the ambience of this estate. Interlocked road, good drainage system, and it's located in a well secured estate. You need a code to have access into this estate. All right, and the estate is also along the Lekki Expressway. So if you're looking for a home that is easily accessible, you want to strongly consider this. So looking at the car park space, you see that this car park space can take up to three cars. You can park two over there, one over here. Although that's strongly dependent on the size of your car. Now stepping inside, we have, this flowers here. And coming into the home, you're welcome by this wooden door right here. Doesn't have any biometrics. And by my right, you have your powder room. And coming inside, this is your primary living area. Have your primary living area just right here. Have your TV console as well. Have your TV console. Trying to show you what it looks like from more angles. And we have this door here that leads us straight to the kitchen. Alright. So this is the kitchen. This is quite a spacious kitchen. Let me close the door so I can give you a proper view of the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Have your island in the middle. You have this space for your washing machine. You have your 5 burner cooker and heat extractor. And I see a microwave just right here. All right. And this is what we have here. So you can set up like maybe your pantry here or your freezer, anyone that works. And this door leads you to the backyard. All right. So this is actually a very simple home. Simple, functional. Then right here you have your staircase laced with light, so you're not in the dark. Before we go upstairs, we have one room here, the visitor's room. So this is it. You're actually trying to do some finishing touches in the home. So this is your bathroom and your shower. Coming out, we can now go upstairs. So coming upstairs, you have this space here for your family lounge. You have this space here for your family lounge. Right here. I have three rooms upstairs. So this is one of the rooms. Oh, this is the master. So I think I'll show that last. So this is one of the rooms. That's your wardrobe. That's your wardrobe. Then you have two windows, one and two. And this is your ensuite bathroom. That's your walk-in shower. You have another room right here. That's your wardrobe. This is your room. And you have your ensuite bathroom right here. Okay, let's go see the masters. Okay, so the masters is quite spacious, as you can see. Let me go from this angle so you can see the whole view of the masters. So this is the master's bed. And over here you have your closet. Have your closet right here. And this door leads you to the ensuite bathroom. Your bathtub, your walk-in shower. Okay. I think I like the fact that they put a bit of attention and space to the masters. And this is your window right here. So you can oversee your neighborhood. Okay. Then we can see the balcony, and with that, you can call it a day for this particular tour. So the masters comes with a balcony, and of course, this is your neighborhood, right? So this is a very secure estate. It's a very secure estate. All right, so let me know what you think of this particular home. This is priced at 190 million naira, right? It's a four-bedroom, fully detached home. Okay, so if you are currently in the market looking for a property worth that amount around Sangotedo, then you already know who to call. Give us a call. Let's get you here for inspection and let us know what you think about this particular home. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.